Now we are going to give IUPAC names for the compounds containing one or more than one functional groups. That is, first we are going to give names for monofunctional group compounds. That is, compounds containing only one functional group. Now, rule for this is, now we have studied various types of rule in case of saturated hydrocarbons or in case of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now here, for this, one rule is most necessary, that give numbering from the end which is nearer to the functional group. For example, this is CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH3. Now here, numbering to this chain is given from the end which is nearer to the functional group, that is 1, 2 or 1, 2, 3. Now this end is nearer to this functional group, therefore we give numbering from this end 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the correct numbering. Now if we take second example, now here this I is present at this position, that is this is iodine. This iodine functional group is present at this end, that is this is CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. Now here give numbering from this end which is nearer to the functional group, that is iodine. Therefore we give numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the correct numbering. Now we are going to give nomenclature for the compounds which contains functional group. That is, IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds containing one or more than one functional group. Now first we are going to give nomenclature for monofunctional group compounds, that is compound containing only one functional group. Now we are going to see one by one. Now first one, alkyl halides. Now we know that alkyl halides are nothing but the halogen derivatives of alkanes. Now generally they are represented as Rx. Now here R is alkyl group, that is hydrocarbon radical, and X is a halogen atom. X is a halogen atom. This halogen atom may be chlorine, bromine or iodine. Now here general representation of this alkyl halide is Rx. That is, this alkyl group is directly attached to the halogen atom, either it is chlorine, bromine or iodine. Functional group of this alkyl halide is X. Now when we are going to give the name for this compound, add prefix halo. Prefix means starting. Add prefix halo before alkane. Now it becomes haloalkanes. That is, IUPAC name of alkyl halides becomes haloalkanes. For example, now here this is first example, CH3Br. Now here there is bromine and CH3, one carbon atom is present. Therefore parent alkane becomes methane, and here there is bromine, therefore it becomes bromomethane. That is, IUPAC name of this CH3Br becomes bromomethane. Now second example, CH3CH2Cl. Now here chlorine is attached, therefore it becomes chloro, and there are two carbon atoms, therefore parent alkane becomes ethane. Therefore name of this compound becomes chloroethane. Then third example, CH3CH2CH2I. Now here there are three carbon atoms which are attached to the iodine. Therefore it becomes iodopropane. Three carbon atoms are there, therefore it becomes propane, and name of this compound is iodopropane. Now second, alcohols. Now here general representation of alcohol is ROH, where R is hydrocarbon radical or alkyl group, and OH is a functional group. That is, functional group of alcohol is OH. And here, when we are going to give the IUPAC name for alcohol, replace suffix E from alkane by OL. That is, this E is replaced by OL. Therefore, the name of alcohol becomes alkanol. That is, E from alkane is replaced by OL, it becomes alkanol. Now we are going to see the examples. First example, CH3OH. This is, now parent alkane is methane. One carbon atom is there, therefore parent alkane becomes methane. Therefore replace E from methane by OL. It becomes methanol. Then second, CH3CH2OH. Now there are two carbon atoms, therefore parent alkane is ethane. Now there is OH group attached to this ethane, therefore it becomes ethanol. That is, E from ethane is replaced by OL, it becomes ethanol. Now third example, CH3CH2CH2OH. Now there are three carbon atoms, therefore it becomes propane, and replace E from propane by OL, it becomes propanol. In this way, IUPAC names for these compounds are given. Now in this case, now in this example, there are three carbon atoms, and this OH group is attached to one number carbon atom. Now give numbering from the end which is nearer to the functional group. It becomes 1, 2, 3, and position of this functional group becomes 1. Name of this compound becomes propane 1OL. Now for example, we are going to see next 4 number example. If we take here 4 number CH3 CHOH CH3. Now there are three carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, but hydroxy group is present at 2 position, therefore it becomes propane 2OL. If the number of carbon atom present in the chain increases, and if the functional group, that is OH group, is attached to any carbon atom, then position of this OH group is determined by giving the proper number. In this way, name of this compound is propane 2OL. Now we are going to see some examples of alkyl halides. Now look here. This is first example, CH3 CHBr CH3. Now here there are three carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. At 2 position there is bromine, therefore it becomes 2-bromo-propane. There are 3 carbon atoms, therefore parent alkane become propane, and name of this compound become 2-bromo-propane. Now second example, CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2I. Now here there are 4 carbon atoms. Now we are going to give numbering from the end which is nearer to the functional group, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore it becomes 1-iodo. At 1 position there is iodine group, therefore it becomes 1-iodo, and there are 4 carbon atoms, therefore parent alkane become butane, 1-iodo-butane. Next, third one. Now here there are 4 carbon atoms in a straight chain. Now we are going to give numbering from the end which is nearer to the functional group, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now it becomes 2-bromo-butane. 2-bromo-butane. Now this one, 4 number. Now here this carbon atom is bonded to 3 CH3 group and 1 bromine. Now in this case we have to select the longest chain, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. The parent chain is of propane. But at 2 position there is branching of methyl group and branching of Br. Therefore it becomes 2-bromo-2-methyl. Now alphabetically B comes first. Therefore we write here 2-bromo. Then 2-methyl propane. This is the IUPAC name of this compound, 2-bromo-2-methyl propane. In this way, IUPAC names for alkyl halides are given. Now we are going to see some examples of alcohol. Now look here, this is first example, CH3, CH2, OH. Now here give numbering from the end which is nearer to the functional group, 1, 2, 3. Now it becomes propane 1-OL. Parent alkane is propane. Replace E from this propane by 1-OL. This 1 suggests the position of OH group. Now second example, CH3, CHOH, CH3. Now first give numbering. Now both positions of this alcohol is at equidistance from both ends. Position of this OH group is at equidistance from both ends. That is 1, 2, 3. Parent alkane is propane and at 2 position there is OH group. Therefore we write propane 2-OL. Now third example, CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH3. Now give numbering from the end which is nearer to the functional group, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now parent alkane is butane. At 2 position there is hydroxy group or alcohol functional group. Therefore it becomes butane 2-OL. Now fourth example, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Now here there are 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. At 1 position there is hydroxy group. There are 4 carbon atoms, therefore parent alkane becomes butane. And replace E from butane by 1-OL. This 1 suggests the position of hydroxy group. That is, it is attached to number 1 carbon atom. Now last example. Here there are 4 carbon atom and middle carbon atom or this carbon atom is bonded to hydroxy group. Now first select the longest chain, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. At 2 position there is methyl group. At 2 position there is hydroxy group. Therefore it becomes 2-methyl propane. Parent alkane is propane. There are 3 carbon atoms in straight chain. Therefore it becomes propane 2. At 2 position there is hydroxy group or alcohol group. Therefore it becomes propane 2-OL. 2-methyl propane 2-OL. Now homework for you. Write IUPAC names of following compounds. Now next compound we are going to see aldehyde. Now functional group of aldehyde is C-double-bond-OH. Name of this functional group is formyl or aldehydic group. General representation of this aldehyde group or aldehyde compound is RC-double-bond-OH, where R is hydrocarbon radical or alkyl group and C-double-bond-OH group is aldehyde or formyl group. Now when we are going to give the name for this compound, replace suffix E from alkane, that is this E from alkane by Al. Then it becomes alkanal, that is E from alkane is replaced by Al. It becomes alkanal, ALKANAL. Now we are going to see some examples. Now first one, HC-double-bond-OH. Now here there is only 1 carbon atom, therefore parent alkane becomes methane. And replace this E from methane, that is suffix E from methane by Al. It becomes methanol. Second example, CH3 C-double-bond-OH. Now there are 2 carbon atoms, therefore parent alkane is ethane. Replace E, suffix E from ethane by Al. It becomes ethanol. Then third one, CH3, CH2, C double bond OH. Now there are 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3. Therefore parent alkane become propane and replace E from propane by Al due to presence of this aldehyde group. Then last one, CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond OH. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. Therefore parent alkane becomes butane and replace E from butane by Al, it becomes butanol. In this way, aldehydes are named according to IUPAC nomenclature system. Now, fourth compound, ketone. Now, functional group of ketone is C double bond O. Now, aldehydes and ketones are carbonyl compounds and they are functional isomers of each other. Aldehydes and ketones are carbonyl compounds. They possess a C double bond O functional group. Functional group of ketone is C double bond O. Therefore, general representation of ketone is R C double bond O R dash. Now here R and R dash are alkyl groups or hydrocarbon radical. If R and R dash are similar, that is both alkyl groups are similar, then it is simple ketone. If R and R dash are not similar, that is R is not equal to R dash, then it is mixed ketone. Now how the name for these ketones are given? Replace suffix E from alkane by ONE. That is this E is replaced by ONE. Then name becomes alkanone. That is E from alkane is replaced by ONE. This becomes alkanone. Now we are going to see some examples. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Now it is simple ketone because both these alkyl groups are similar. This is methyl, this is also methyl. Therefore it is simple ketone. R and R dash are similar. Now name of this ketone is, now there are 3 carbon atoms. Therefore parent alkane becomes propane. Now replace the E from propane by ONE due to presence of this functional group C double bond O, ketonic functional group. Now second example, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. Now this carbonyl group is attached to 2 different alkyl group. One is methyl group and second is ethyl group. Therefore it is mixed ketone. And name of this ketone is, now give numbering from the end which is nearer to the functional group. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It becomes butane. Now give the position of this ketonic functional group, that is 2-ONE. Butane 2-ONE is the IUPAC name of this compound. In this way, IUPAC names for ketones are given. Homework for you. Write IUPAC names of the following compounds.